Tired of that boring default jar icon in Wise? In 30 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to change it to anything you want. It's one of those small tweaks that makes your account feel like yours. And honestly, it's way easier than you probably think. No hidden menus, no complicated settings, just a few clicks and you are done. All right, here's the plan. First, we'll click into your specific jar. Then we'll find the edit menu, and finally, we'll pick a brand new icon. Let's get into it. So, start by navigating to your Wise homepage. This is the main dashboard where you see all your balances and jars lined up. Look for the specific jar you want to personalize. Maybe it's your travel fund, your emergency savings, or that jar you're using to save up for something fun. Just click right on that jar to open it up. Once you're inside the jar, you'll want to look for a little icon with 3 dotted lines. It's usually near the top of the page, kind of tucked away. In my experience testing this, it's easy to miss because it blends in with the header. But just scan the top area and you'll spot it. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot menu icon. Now, a drop-down menu will appear. This is the command center for that jar. From the drop-down, select Edit Jar to open the settings. The wording might be a little different depending on your region, but it's almost always Edit Jar or Manage Jar. This is where the magic happens. So now that we're in the Edit screen, we need to find the Icon section. Scroll down the page a little bit. You're looking for a section that shows your current jar icon, probably with an option that says something like Change or Choose icon next to it. It's usually right below the jar name field. And here's the thing. Some versions of Wise have it front and center, others hide it a bit further down. So just keep scrolling until you see it. Once you find that icon section, it's time for the fun part. Tap on the current icon or hit the Change button, and you'll see a grid of available icons pop up. Browse through them. There are all sorts of options. Travel, food, shopping, sports, you name it. Find the one that speaks to you and tap it to select it. If you can't decide, I always tell people to pick something that matches the purpose of the jar. It makes it way easier to remember what you're saving for at a glance. After you've selected your new icon, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the edit screen. This is the step people often skip, and then they wonder why nothing changed. Hit that Save button and give it a second to process. Now, let's verify the change. Go back to your main jar list by clicking the back arrow or the Wise logo. And there it is, your new icon, front and center on your jar. No more generic placeholder. Your account now has a little piece of your personality baked into it. And that's really all there is to it. You've gone from a default, impersonal jar to something that actually represents your goal or your style. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.